Hello everyone, I am Amol and I am going to show you the basics of Proteus software. So this is the first tutorial of Proteus and in which I am going to just show you the how to choose the components, how to drag it on that sheet and the connections of the wires and all that thing. Basically the basics of Proteus. In the further more videos, I'm going to take the complex circuit and we will show the complexity of the Proteus software. So stay tuned for uh, Proteus learning and just subscribe our channel and I'm sure you will love our videos. So this is the Proteus software. I'm opening it. It's loading now. So new project. This tutorial is for the absolute beginner. So install Windows. Here just put the name of your project. So I am putting here tutorial. Select the path by browsing. Next. So here choose the create a schematic. Next, create PCB layout. Here are the two options, no firmware and create firmware. So if you choose the create firmware, then you can choose the microcontrollers. But even if you don't start from here, you can select the components of any of the microcontroller in no firmware as well. So whenever you start, you can choose the no firmware. There is no issue at all. So next, finish. So here these are the two windows, schematic and PCB layout. So here you will put all the components, you will drag all the components and here you will make layout. So making layout will be my next tutorial, but now we will focus on the schematic. So these are the modes, or I can call it as a palette box, so in which there are so many shortcuts. Not all require this is the selection mode, this is component mode, these are the two required right now. So as we will go further, I'll tell you each of use. So in selection mode, when you select any kind of a device, then you can move here and there. So for that purpose, selection mode is there. Component mode, in which you are going to select the components. So let's say how to select the components. So here there are the two options, P and L. So P stands for picking devices. So click on it. Here are the list of some of the components. So the device which you will require, you can type the name of it. Every electronic device has something code of it, like op-amp has 741. So just write 741, you will find that component. So I'm writing a 741, enter. Here is the op-amp, you can see it. Like, so if you want to find 555 IC, so you can just write the 555. Like that you can find any of the component. This is the not common procedure for all, like register. If you want to select it, right, RE register spelling. So you will find here is the register. Click on it. Here 0.6 metafin, the one which we use in laboratory. So here is the right, and for selecting any component, just double click on it. So you can see it here, our component gets added. So today I will show you the blinking of LED. So this can be the basic circuit. So I choose the register. One more I require is the battery. for the power. So battery, here are the batteries. This is the multi-cell battery and here is the single cell. So you can choose voltage there also. So I'm choosing this single cell battery. Then I'll choose the LED. Enter. So here the so many options came, right? Generic, light emitting diode, or there are so many. So I'm choosing the animated one, animated LED model blue. I think these are the sufficient component for blinking the LED. Let's go for it. So here are the components which I chose already. Now I'm going to make the circuit. Now just see, I'm going to use these all the components, and if I want any extra, then just go here and select it. As that simple the procedure. So by selecting the LED, I'll start dragging the component. Just select it once, click here. Now you can see that the component is moving. That is, I can place anywhere where I want. So I'm placing. Now if I want it horizontal, I'll make it by right clicking. So here you can see there are so many options which are related to this component. I can delete, I can edit, rotate clockwise. So if I want to just make it horizontal, then I will use rotate clockwise, anti-clockwise. And these are the X mirror, Y mirror of that component. So here are the options which are related with the components. Now I'm happy with this, so I'm not making it in a horizontal manner. So just keeping it as it is. So the second component I'm going to use is cell. So cell, now placing here. Now you can see that is a positive terminal here, and LED has the anode here and the cathode here. The triangular part is considered as the anode, and the basic funda is saying that the anode has to be connected with the positive terminal. But if I connect it directly, then it will be like burst will happen. Yeah, I had practically I had the experience of it. I just connected the 9 volt directly with the LED. It blinked once, but afterwards it never blinked. So no, don't try it. So for that purpose, I'm just connecting the resistor in between these two terminals. Now resistor, I'm connecting. Now for connecting, just look at here. Whenever I go at the end of the terminal, you can see the red spot is coming. That is indicating that wire can be extended from here. So just click on it, and you can see that wire can be go like anywhere. So whenever you want, you can keep it. So I'm connecting here, connecting with the anode terminal of the LED. Now just connect the terminals, just complete the circuit. Now as the cathode will go to the negative or the ground. Now as the common sense is saying that there has to be any ground. So for ground, you can see here is the terminal mode, right? So click on the terminal mode, and here are some of the options. Choose the ground. So I'm selecting ground and placing it here. Now we are done with the connections part, but still we are not done with the values of the component. And one more thing which you need to understand here is every component should have its own package. Now the battery and resistor have their own package, but the LED don't have. So we need to assign the package. Now what is meant by package? Package can be considered as the dimensions. Means like having the package means knowing the dimensions. of it. So just click here, right click, and see edit properties. Now here PC package is not specified, so click on the question mark and write LED, type LED, enter. Now you can see here is the package of LED. Say OK, then again OK. Now we have assigned the LED package. Now the remaining part is to just assign the values of the component. For assigning the values of the component, we need to double click on the symbol of the component. So here is the symbol and I'm going to double click on it. So now I want to put here as 9 volt. So it's 9 volt and done with that. Now I'm going to put register value as double click on the symbol value. Symbol. Yes, so put here as 100. That will be, I think, 100 ohms. So that will be okay. Now let's see our circuit is working or not. So here is play kind of button there, and you need to just press it. So we'll come to know. So yeah, our LED is glowing, so it means our circuit is perfect. Now basically the Proteus is used for that purpose only, that whatever the things we are do on the breadboard, the same we can done here on the Proteus software. So Proteus is used for the simulation purpose, and which reduce our efforts and as well as cost. So before going to make any kind of a mini project, just simulate your circuit on the Proteus and make sure you get the output on the Proteus and proceed for the next steps. So thanks for watching video. Here Amol Shade is signing out from Study Corner.